Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious yeast biscuits. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Having everything ready ensures a smooth baking process. The warm milk is crucial for activating the yeast properly, so check its temperature carefully. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, and salt. Next, pour in the warm milk and melted butter, mixing until just combined. Once a shaggy dough forms, transfer it to a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your biscuits wonderfully tender and airy. You'll notice it becoming smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Place your smooth dough into a lightly greased bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Let it rise in a warm, draft-free spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough, then roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick before cutting your biscuit rounds. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut biscuit rounds onto a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and cooked through. The aroma will be incredible. Serve these warm, fluffy yeast biscuits immediately with your favorite toppings. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.